Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Lens and granting camera permission so it can read text. Once done, tap the bottom toolbar and select Translate Mode. This sets Lens to detect language automatically. Make sure your source and target languages at the top match your needs and adjust them if they don't. Don't waste time toggling other modes. You want Translate active now. Point your camera at the text, steady your hand, and watch live translated overlays appear as Lens recognizes characters. Once you have the overlay, you can improve accuracy by tapping to focus or tapping the shutter to capture a still image. The still gives Lens time to run OCR and produce a cleaner translation. That's why you should capture complex text or small fonts. After capture, drag to select the exact sentence or word you want translated, then use the copy or listen features if needed. If you see mistranslated segments, switching source language manually can help, especially with similar languages. To finish, use Listen to hear pronunciation, copy to paste into another app, or share to send the translation. These actions make the result useful immediately. If Lens misidentifies the language, manually pick the correct source and try again. For stubborn failures, improve lighting, move closer, or switch to capture mode with higher resolution. These steps reduce OCR errors. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the lens glass and ensure text contrast. Low contrast is the most common cause of failed recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.